This servo is modified at the manufacturer site. This is a 270-degree servo motor. I have asked the manufacturer, Donghua DS servo technology, to modify it to become 360. I'm going to open up and see what has been modified inside a servo to make it 360 degree. This is the first time I open up a servo motor. The circuitry board is here. I don't see any potentiometer. And how is it going to drive the servo motor? I don't know what they have modified. It's supposed to be a potentiometer. What's interesting is the one that's inside there. It turns. Let me just take this out. My hands the grease all over my hand. The purpose of doing this is to find out what are being modified. I understand that to change 270 to 360, you need to cut a blocker in the gear, and there's another one that is connecting to this motor. The shaft needs to be cut. Now I'm just going to put that. I need to have a chat with them to see what has been modified, how I can restore a 360 back to 270. You need to buy from a manufacturer and not through a third party, because by doing so, you can be able to modify back to 270 if you make any mistakes. This is also called but it's RDS3245. RDS is a dual axis. There is no potentiometer in their new design. The design is a bit different because there's a pin here, a long shaft. Servo arm. It keeps on turning. Yeah? Wonderful. This is wonderful. And this is the circuitry board. This is RDS 51150. This is a bigger one. 150 kg per cm. Very strong. You can't turn it with your hand. It's very strong. So I need to have a hex screw to open this. It's very big and it's quite heavy. This one uses a hex screw. This is also a 270 modified to 360. I need to unsolder this two part here. Otherwise this thing is stuck. I cannot take it out because the metal here. This is the last one I will be opening up and have to take it out inside. This is DS51150 single axis. Goodness, this is smaller. The screw here is smaller than this. This is DS51150. This gear has not been modified. What about this gear? This one looks clean too. This one looks clean. And this is the third one. This is a big one. So I have to consult a professional how this gear can be made back to 270 degree angle. At the moment this is 360. Here you go again. Close up. I don't see any changes to the gear.
目前，电子邮件是与您沟通的唯一解决方案。怎样才能恢复到270呢？有修改过任何齿轮吗？没有电位器。关于9个4伏马达 RDS51150 RDS3245。我正在使用谷歌翻译英文到中文。你懂英文吗？早安，老板，丽塔给了你的电子邮件。我的问题始于将270改为360。我担心如果角度输入错误，270可能会损坏4伏并使其运动停止。 由于我看到一个卖家的伺服器可以360度定位，所以我要求更换。发货后 ，Rita 说无法控制角度、位置，只能控制速度、连续。Rita 说只要换电路板就可以恢复270。在许多伺服器中，为了修改360，他们切断了连接到电位器。我问丽塔为什么不把原来的2个齿轮放回去。为了更好的理解，我打开了 DS3245 来了解如何恢复270。我不知道齿轮是否被修改，270指动器和齿轮轴被切断，可我没有看到任何电位器。你的伺服器有电位器吗？有修改过任何齿轮吗？你的解決方案是什麼？請幫我恢復9個剛出生的寶寶，謝謝。
早晨老闆 ，Rita 俾咗你個電郵，我嘅問題係由270轉360角度開始，我擔心270如果入錯角度，令到佢嘅運動停滯，可能會損壞伺服。由於我見過一個賣家伺服可以定位係360角度，我要求改。出貨後 ，Rita 話唔可以控制角度、位置，只可以控制速度、連續。Rita 話只要換電路板就可以恢復270角度。喺好多伺服電機入面，為咗修改360角度，佢哋會切斷連接到嘅賽塊同齒輪半電位計。我問 Rita 點解唔淨係放返原本嘅2波？為咗更加明白，我打開咗 DS3245 嚟揾下點樣還原270角度。我分唔到啲齒輪係咪改裝咗270賽同齒輪半切，同埋我冇見到任何電位計。你啲伺服器有冇電位計？有冇齒輪改過？你嘅解決方法係點？請幫手恢復我9個新出世嘅寶寶，多謝你。
Secure for the servo motor. This is a 270-degree secure. This for 150 kg servo motor. So many things I need to change. This is a potentiometer.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe.
$45 kg for 4. 150 kg for 5. Yeah, 9 potentiometer.